Alright, good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Here today we're going to be doing an engine mount on a B46/B48. Do have it collapsed. You can see the fluid and the crack in the engine mount. So quick discussion first on these ones. You do have to remove the headlight. These headlights can be an extreme pain in the butt. They are red Loctited in. What I like to do is take a heat gun to them and kind of melt the Loctite, and usually they come out pretty freely from there. Other than that, sometimes you'll have to. The f60s are not too bad. The f56s they can be quite difficult. So there's 4 bolts. There's 3 T30s and then a 10 mil up here. So there's a 10 mil, T30, T30. And then T30, and like I said, those are red Loctited in. What I like to do is I like to pull this vent line off from here, and then I'll rotate it because it'll swivel. And so I like to take it off from here, and I'll have to use 2 hands. I'm not going to be able to do this one-handed, but and then you can rotate it. It'll just swivel from here and go forward. That way you have easier access to the bolts. Same as the 3-cylinder. Torque sequence is the same. Bolt size are all the same. Everything's pretty much the same, just you have less room. And that's pretty much it. What else did I do to this? I think that was pretty much it. He just came in for an oil change or something, and I found that. So you will have to move this hose out of the way because you're going to pull the engine mount out of here. Obviously without the headlight here involved. So I think that's pretty much it. So the bolts are these are E12s, 3 of them. Again, these are torque sequence are 40 Newton meters plus 90 degrees, and then there's an 8 mil down here, another 8 mil with your, I can't remember if it's an E8 or E10. I think last video I said E10. I don't remember, but I use a spline drive 8mm, and it'll get on this bracket for the AC line. And the bolts that go to the body are E14s, and those are 100 Newton meters when tightening them up. And that's pretty much it. Use the floor jack, we'll jack it up, do the 3 at the mount, and allow the engine to drop. It'll give you easier access. I use swivels on these E14s, and then it'll come right out. So we'll get you up on a stand and we'll dig right into it. Tight fit, but you can get it out. There we go. Got the new one installed. Give it a little wipe down. You gotta go do an alignment on it too. And we'll call the customer for pickup. There you go. Thanks for coming to my channel.